Hey guys, what's happening? Today we're gonna talk about the best video translation tool, specifically Descript a tool or software. Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing software designed for content creators, podcasters, and video editors. It offers a unique text-based editing approach, allowing users to edit media files as easily as editing a document. Right? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and click get started for free. I'm gonna sign up using our Google or Facebook or whatever. Right? And if you want to take the time to add your email and password manually, you can do that on your own time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click sign up with Google. I'm gonna use my Google account. Right? And afterwards, after you use a Google or one of your Google accounts, you gotta answer that question. What are you using Descript for? Let's say personal, making content, right? And you can go ahead and click others. And let's say you're trying to create or basically use Descript for video content, right? Okay. And we're gonna click get started for free, right? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy the invite link to invite other people, okay? And we're gonna continue to get started, right? And you could use a demo to try popular features like studio sound, filter, word removal, or whatever you want to try, or you can add your file or make a recording or write a script for charming AI voice to say. Okay, let's take a test drive. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a few moments. As you can see, they're trying to open up a project, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just enter your script right here, and they're gonna finalize video for playback that transcribe or basically copy what that text is saying, right? So you're gonna hit play right here to hear it out. And let me go to my system preferences, go to the sound, and let me put the screen record, right? Excuse me. Now you're gonna be able to hear.
Whether you're completely new to video editing or
Right.
just new to Descript, this is a great way to get started. To record your video, click the record button in the sidebar and configure your camera. You can also record.
And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the final result, right? Where they're gonna transcribe the text onto a video, right? So one of the key features based editing or text-based editing, right? Automatically transcribes audio in video, allowing users to edit by modifying the text only, right? And you have also the overdub, AI-powered voice cloning to generate missing words or correct mistakes, right? And you have also the multi-track editing, supports multiple audio and video tracks for precise control, right? And you have the screen recording, built-in screen recording with easy editing and transcription. And they have the AI-powered tools like automatic filler word removal, like or speaker identification and background noise reduction. They have also the collaboration option, which allows you to basically collaborate with a team in order to work on this project, right? If you want to know the pros and cons, easy to use, especially for beginners, saves time with AI-powered editing tools, great for podcasters, YouTubers, and educators, and transcription is relatively accurate. The cons: limited advanced video editing features compared to Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, and overdub requires voice training and can sound unnatural at times. Subscription-based pricing might be costly for casual users as we showed you in the beginning, right? So Descript is best for podcasters, content creators, or business making training videos, teams needing collaborative editing. Descript is a powerful, user-friendly tool for those who need fast and efficient media editing, especially for audio-heavy projects. While it may not replace high-end video editing software, its AI-driven features make it an excellent choice for many creators. So, let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.